Good day, everyone. Look what we have here. It's a Mitsushi silent type compressor. This is the model XH Hotel 630L. The last three characters they refer to the tank volume, which is 30 liters. So I think this is the biggest that they have locally available in the Philippines, and the rated power is 600 watts. So it's shy of 1 horsepower. So I think it's about 3/4 horsepower. And although it says here 132 liters per minute, which is about I think 3.5 give and take cubic feet per minute. So it's good for most DIY needs. And so it's not the usual reciprocating type in the piston, but I think this is the diaphragm type, so it doesn't need any oil. And the intake is right over here, and the exhaust is right over there, and goes into the tank. And there's a pressure switch right here. It's an on-off switch. The setting is at 8 bars. I think the minimum is somewhere like 6 bars. It will turn on and turn off at 8 bars. Right there, which is about 115, 120 psi. And it's got a ball valve at the end. This one is not included in the package. I just bought this. This is a quick connect female. And right now there's no wheels yet, but it came with a pair of rubber wheels and the nuts and bolts that goes with it, as well as a pair of rubber footing. I think it goes right there. There's a hole over there. And there's a maintenance hole at the bottom, which is used to release moisture. You should do this once every day, or at least before you use it, if not very often. And so this is the switch right here. Yeah, so that's on. Yeah. Sorry, that's off. And this is on. So you pull it up to turn it on. So it's relatively quieter compared to the standard piston type. And it's a great value for money, I would say. It's made of steel, of course. It's a little bit on the heavy side because of the weight. And price wise, you can buy this online, ranges between 3,800 to about 5,000, or maybe 6,000. It depends on the seller. But I bought it at a bargain because they're having a sale, and including shipping, 3,100 pesos. So that's a little over 60 US dollars. So it's not really bad. It's really good price. The only problem I encountered with this one is this one here. So yeah, it's supposed to be screwed in there, but because it's made of plastic, as you can see it got broken off. I tried to fix it with instant glue, but didn't work. So what I did was I found a small tubing, steel tubing, and cut it to length, and I fixed it with epoxy, and I used a rubber electrical seal, so that because it's not really snug fit right there. So when it sucks in air, it will provide a tight seal. So this is the air cleaner, and recommended is that you clean this every 500 hours. Those are essentially the two maintenance that you need to do. So every 500 hours, I think it's also written there at the back, and that one that you need to drain. And yeah, so I don't know where you can find this filter. Sorry, this filter. So again, guys, here's the Mitsushi diaphragm type air compressor, rated at 8 bars or 8.8 megapascal, 30-liter tank, 600 watts. So I have there a concrete nailer, which I will try later. Yeah, so let's give it a go and hear how it sounds. So to turn it on, you need to wait. Pull this one out, but it's still filled with air, so we can't use it. So it's now empty, and now let's give it a go. Okay, turn this off first, and let's time it. So okay, so it takes about 2 minutes almost. And finally, with the wheels and fit installed, and the suction here installed as well. So yeah, thank you guys. Hope this video has been helpful to you. Bye bye.